Okay, we will begin our topic now. Inequality. Inequality basically what we have studied till now. Various times we have seen this type, this symbol, this, and this. Now, this is called greater than, this is smaller than, this is greater than, equal to, this is smaller than, equal to, and this is equal to. Now, we write like this: greater than, smaller than, greater than equal to, smaller than equal to, and equal to. What actually happens with this symbol, that whenever in the question, if you see in the question, we have all types of symbol. We have greater than, small, less than equal to, less than equal to, then greater than equal to, sometimes equal to also in the next question. So always these are given as the first preference. Second, this is given as second preference, and this is given as the third preference. Now, what is the meaning of preference? I'll give you a basic example. If I have A is greater than equal to B, greater than equal to C, greater than D, greater than E. If this is the statement I have, and I need to find the relation between A and C, then what happens now? Okay. So in A and C, we have greater than equal to B, and then we have greater than equal to C. So the final answer will be A is greater than equal to C. Why? Because we have only greater than equal to symbol. Now, if I find between A and D, then what will happen? Greater than equal to, greater than equal to, and equal to. So in A and D, which are the symbols we're having? We're having one is this, one is this. I told you. My first preference is always greater than. So my answer will be A is greater than D. Similar example, if I talk about B and E, what is the relation between B and E? Now, if you see, B is greater than equal to, then again greater than, and again greater than. So from B to E, we have three symbols, and these are those symbols. Now, first preference is always given to greater than. The answer will be B is greater than E. So remember, even if there is a one greater than or less than, the answer will be either greater than or less than, provided they all are facing the same side. If we have something like this, A is greater than B and then less than C, then what? Then between A and C, there is no relation. We cannot find any relation. As soon as you see opposite pairs, as soon as you see like this or like this, out of out of this four, if you see any pair, then answer will be C and D. That is cannot be determined. Now J, we have first statement, we have two statement, we have three statement. Right now we have total overall three statements. This is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. Now J is greater than Z, less than equal to W, and less than equal to R. Next we have G is greater than W, greater than equal to K, and then we have P is less than equal to J and greater than Y. Now, first conclusion is given as R is greater than Y. Now, if R is greater than Y, then we need to find the relation between R and Y. Now, R is there in the first statement and Y is there in the second statement. Sorry, in the third statement. So how we will jump from first statement to third statement? We need to find something which connects from first to third. So if we see, J is the element which connects from first to third, and W is the element which connects from first to second. So now, if we want to go from the first to third, we need to go through J. So R is greater than Y, right? It should start with R. Now R is greater than equal to W, because we are writing R and W in a reverse format. So symbol also will be reversed. Then W is greater than equal to Z. Z is less than J. J is greater than Y. Now this was the first conclusion. Second conclusion is K is less than J. Now K is where? K is in the second statement and J is in the third statement. Can we go directly from second to third? No, we cannot go directly from second to third. So we need to go from second to first and then from first to third. It's like jumping from second to first and then from first to third. So now how will come? Starts with K. Okay. If K starts with K, then K is less than equal to W. Now, W is again we need to go to J. So W is greater than equal to Z and Z is less than J. And now J is this much between K and J, correct? So now K is less than equal to W, greater than equal to Z and less than J. Third one starts with J and goes to K. The similar one, just like the second and third, the two elements are same. So already we have found the relation. So I'll just write it down from the top. J is greater than Z, less than equal to W, greater than equal to K. Okay. Now, what is the actual answer now? So if you see between R and Y, we have two opposite symbols, greater than equal to and less than. If that is the case, then what is the answer? You know, it is C and D, cannot be determined. That means first one is wrong. Second, K is less than equal to W and greater than equal to W. Again, these two symbols, less than equal to and greater than equal to, comes together. So again, answer will be wrong. Because again, answer will be C and D, cannot be determined. Option conclusion number third. J is less than equal to K. Again, just like the previous one, the answer cannot be determined because we have less than and greater than and less than equal to at the same time. So again, this answer will be wrong. So what is the correct answer? If you look at the options, only 1 and 2 are true, wrong. 1 is not true. Only 1 is true, no. Only one is not true at any case. Now, in that case, only option number C is left. Now, what is option number C? What is either or case? We'll see this now. That what is either or case? Now, we have three conditions. First condition, both conclusion is wrong. Both conclusion is wrong. Both conclusion have same elements. Now, both conclusion is having same element. And combination of conclusion is true in statement. Now, if you understand my sentence, then first and second one is very easy to understand. We'll see. First, both conclusion is wrong. Now you must be thinking which two conclusion I'm talking about. Either it is first or third, first or second, second or third. If you see the second one, second conclusion, both conclusions should have the same elements. Now, same elements is what K and J are elements. Now, these are the elements only, no? J, Z, W, R, G, K, P, and Y. These are the elements. So, same elements means K, J, and K. So, we are talking about statement conclusion number second and third. Both conclusion have same element. Yes, second and third, K, J, and J, K both have the same element. So, second conclusion is true. The second condition is true. These are the conditions. Note it down. These are the conditions. Then, first condition is both conclusion is wrong. Again, second and third. Is my both conclusion wrong? Yes. I can see that second one is also wrong. Third one is also wrong. So, first condition is also right. Since both conclusion is wrong, this condition is correct. Now, combination of the conclusion is true in this statement. Now, what is the combination of this statement? In both the cases, it is cannot be determined. In one place, that means K is not equal to J. That means what? K can be equal to J, or the relation can be is less than J, or K can be greater than J. That means all the three relation can come. All these three. Now let us see. In the first conclusion, we have K is less than J. Okay. And in the second conclusion, in the first conclusion, we have K is less than J. Now, take this 3. K is less than J, one thing. K is greater than equal to J means what? K is greater than or equal to. Now, all the three conclusions are true. All the three conclusions symbols are there in the answer also. That is K is not equal to J. When this both matches, the number of symbols after combining the two conclusions and the number of symbols which is actually there in the answer, when this both matches, we can say that combination of the conclusion is true in the statement. So condition number 3 also follows. So in that case, your either second or third will be following. Next, question number 2. Question number 2 is D is greater than equal to M is greater than equal to and N is greater than equal to B. Now, H is greater than equal to R is greater than equal to and M is less than T. So first conclusion is B is less than T. So B is here and T is there in the second. This is the first, this is the second. So in between them, what is the bridge? M. M is the bridge. So we need to go from B to M and then from M to T. So we go like B is less than equal to N is less than equal to M is less than T. Okay. We see the second. H is greater than N. H is here, N is here. So H, first we need to go from H to M. H is less than equal to N. Next, third one. N is less than equal to D. So again, N and D are at the same place. So N is less than equal to M. M is less than equal to D. Now we'll see which conclusion is true, which conclusion is wrong. So B is less than equal to N is less than equal to M, and M is less than T. So in that case, between B and T, which are the three symbols? We have less than equal to, less than equal to, and less than. So just now in the beginning, I told you that this will be the first preference always. So that means the correct answer will be B is less than T. That is true. Next, H is greater than equal to, so H is greater than N. But between H and N, all the three symbols are greater than equal to, greater than equal to, greater than equal to. So since all the symbols are greater than equal to, the answer also should be H is greater than equal to N. This is your actual answer and this is the given in the conclusion. So this is wrong. Next, N is less than equal to D. Now, between N and D, we have two less than equal to symbol. And since there is no less than or equal to, this will be the correct answer. That is N is less than. S is less than Q. We divide it into the three statements: first, second, and third. Now S is here in the first and Q is here in the third. How to go from first to third? Through R. Through R we can go from first to third, and through H we can go from first to second. Now S is less than Q, right? So S is less than equal to R. R is less than Q. So first conclusion is done. Second one, F is less than G. F is less than H. H is less than H. H is less than equal to G. So second is also done. Third one, H is greater than equal to P. It's showing H is less than Q and Q is greater than P. Now, if you see the third conclusion, directly you can say that what is this nonsense? This greater than, less than are together. So definitely this third will be wrong. Next, S is less than Q. We have between S and Q, we have less than equal to and we have less than. So in both the cases, which one is the more preferable? Yes, obviously less than. Starting only I told you. So first conclusion is wrong. Next, F is less than G. F is here. Then G is less than H. In between F and G, which are the two symbols? We have less than and less than equal to. Now, out of these two, which one is the more preferable? F is less than G. So, answer is only 1 and 2 are correct. Next, question number 4. First, again, this question also 3 statements are given. First, second, and third. Now, first conclusion is L is greater than Z. For before that, we need to find out where is L, where is Z. So from first to third, how we can go? Oh, we cannot go from first to third. So from first to second, yes, from first to second we can go by T, and from second to third we can go via V. Now L is greater than equal to M. M is greater than T. T is greater than X. X is greater than O. O is greater than V. V is greater than N, and N is equal to Z. So this entire relation is given here. Now, if you see here, now the second relation is about N is less than M. N is here, M is here. We can just write in the reverse way, that is N is N less than M. Next, T is greater than equal to V. T is here, V is here. So T greater than X, greater than O, greater than V. Okay. So now see, in the first one, L is greater than Z. Now we have one symbol greater than equal to, and rest everything is greater than. But there is no opposite symbol. So definitely L is greater than Z. Now in the second one, N is less than M. N is less than M is given. All the symbols are less than. This is also, this is also, this is also, this also, this also. There is no opposite symbols, like there is no greater than or greater than equal to. Okay, this is not there. Hence N is less than M. True. Now T is greater than or equal to V, but there is no greater than equal to, because for greater than equal to V to be correct answer, there should not be any greater than, because this is always given as the first preference. So as soon as you see there is a even a single greater than, and in the conclusion you are asked greater than equal to, so definitely you can mark it as a wrong conclusion. So option number only 2 are correct. Only first and second are correct. Now question number 5. First, second, and third. Now C is less than equal to Z. So where is C? C is there in the third one. So this is first, this is second, and this is third. C is there in the third one. Okay. And Z is there in the first one. So is there any common thing between first and third? No. Is there any common thing between first and second? Yes. K is the common within first and second. Similarly, V is common in the first and second and third. Now, if C is less than equal to Z, that means C is equal to B, B is less than equal to V, V is less than X, X is less than equal to K, K is greater than equal to P, P is less than R, R is less than Z. Now, this is given as greater than equal to. As soon as you see there is a one small less than symbol, directly you can mark it as wrong symbol. Next, V is less than K. V is here, K is here. Between V and K, there is less than X less than equal to K. So yes, V is less than K, correct answer. Now, P is greater than Z. P is less than R, and R is less than Z. How you can say P is greater than Z? So wrong. Only conclusion number 2 is. Now, question number 6. F is less than equal to H. We'll divide in the first, second, and third. We'll mark the bridge. From first to second, we can go by H. From second to third, we can go by, oh, we cannot go by from second to third. Maybe from first to third, we can go by R. Now, T is, which one is true? We have to find out. Now, let us see. T is greater than O. Where is T? T is in the second one. And O is here in the first one. So, T is greater than equal to H. H is less than O. As soon as I see greater than equal to and again less than, my answer will be directly false. Next, F is less than B. Where is F? F is there in the first one and B is there in the third one. So F is less than equal to H. Okay, H is less than O. O is equal to R and R is less than B. Now let's see O and Y. O is greater than, sorry, O is equal to R. R is greater than equal to X. X is equal to Y. Now W is less than equal to R. W less than H. Okay. H is less than O and equal to R. Now, between W and R, we have less than, one less than is there, that means less than equal to will be wrong. Because preference is always given to first this, then this, and then this. Now, O is greater than Y. This is equal to, this is greater than equal to, and this is equal to. So in this, always the preference will be given to the greater than is not available. Hence, the preference will be given to the greater than equal to. So this one is also wrong because actual answer should be O is greater than equal to Y. Now, option number D, F is less than equal to K and then less than is there, and all the symbols are facing in the one direction. That means option number B will be a correct answer. Question number 7. Now, question number 7, again, just like the previous one, we need to find for each and every one. Now, this is the first, second, and third. Now, we need to go from first to second. How we will go? We cannot go from first to third. How we will go? We can go by G, K, Y, and F. F we can go from first to third, and from second to third we can go by E. Now, V is greater than U. V is there in the fourth one, third statement. V is greater than U. U is there in the second one. So from second to third we can go via E. So V is greater than equal to E. E is less than J. If there is two opposite symbols, no relation will be established. Y is less than J. Now Y is here and J is where? J is in the second one. So can we go from first to second directly? No. We need to go from first to third and then from third to second. So Y is greater than F. Okay. Now tell me, if Y is greater than F, okay, then how it is possible that Y is less than J in the conclusion? So second one is also wrong. Now, K is less than equal to U. K is here in the first one. K. Then U is where? U is here in the second one. So K is equal to Y. Y is greater than F. Again the same thing. K is equal to Y and Y is greater than F. But it is asking for K is less than equal to U. So again that will be your wrong. No. Next one. Q is greater than equal to J. G. Q is less than U given first only. When Q is given less than U at the first only, then Q cannot be the greater than equal to. So only option left is none is true. In this case, answer will be none is true. Okay. So this topic was about the inequality. Okay. The prelims based is only very simple questions, and the mains based, or we can say level 2, that is coded inequality is there, that will be taken the basic, that is inequality, when it is asked directly. So any type of question, irrespective of the number of statement, either it is one statement, two statement, three statement, four statement, you can solve like this only. Okay. First, we need to find the connector, that from statement 1 to statement 2, which is the alphabet we are going through, and from statement 2 to statement 3, which are the alphabet which is common in both, so that we can make a bridge and we can jump from one element to the other element. And then accordingly we need to find the symbols, we need to check the preference, we need to check the opposite symbols. If opposite symbol is there, then your answer will be cannot be determined. And if the symbols are greater than or less than, then they are the first preference. If there is no greater than or less than, then greater than equal to and less than equal to will be your second preference. Okay. So we'll be sharing you the PDF of inequality. Kindly solve the questions based on today's topic. Okay. So we'll see you in the next class with the topic coded inequality. Till then, please keep studying and Merry Christmas in advance.